Welcome to Group 7's presentation on jet engines, with a focus on the turbofan. The jet engine transformed aviation within the 20th century by replacing the older propeller-based planes that had lower operating altitudes and efficiency. This issue led Frank Whittle to develop the jet engine. He was shunned at the time as no materials could withstand the sustained high temperatures inside the combustion chamber. It would be later innovations in material science that would make the jet engine possible. Today's jet engine works by drawing air in through the front, which is then channeled through a series of compressors. This is then mixed with fuel and ignited within the combustion chamber. This fast-moving exhaust gas exits through a nozzle to provide thrust and turns the turbines attached to the central shaft. The jet engine was improved upon later by introducing the turbofan, which works similar to a propeller but uses a duct and nozzle to further accelerate the air instead. This was done as it was more fuel efficient to use the engine to spin a turbofan instead of relying on combustion exhaust alone for thrust. Nowadays, up to 85% of the thrust comes from the turbofan's bypass airflow. The ratio of air going through the bypass area to the air entering the combustion core is known as the bypass ratio. Maximizing this ensures higher fuel efficiency, and an easy way to do so is by increasing the cross-sectional area of the turbofan. However, these longer blades can reduce the longevity of the engine due to the increased stresses. These stresses can be minimized with new improvements like incorporating a gearbox that lowers the angular velocity of the turbofan, and thus the centripetal force acting on the blades. Proportionally, a small reduction in angular velocity can allow for a much larger increase in blade length, as shown by the equation on screen. Thanks to the fuel economies of the turbofan jet engine, commercial air travel became widely available. Without this technology, the world would not be as small and accessible as it is today.